Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use email marketing to email to 800,000 prospects. And email marketing is still one of the best traffic sources to be able to reach a large audience, an audience that includes buyers, and also a great way to build your email list and generate leads and commissions from the audience. The first one's called Hercules, and you'll see here I'm going to email out to 376,000 members. Hercules free to join. I'm going to go down here. I have preloaded all these messages, so hopefully they'll stay preloaded just to save a bit of time during the course of the video. So we are using the lead capture page. I'm going to click submit ad, and that's gone straight into, it says here, ad successfully submitted to the mailer. So that's Hercules. Next one is Leased Ad Space. What I like about Leased Ad Space is that you can pay one price without any monthly membership costs, and you can get solo ads for life. So I'm going to send my solo out now to over 4,000 members. Just click send. All the information is in the description below this video here. So if you want more information on any of these offers, then just click the links in the description. My lead gen secret, I'm going to log in here. And my lead gen secret, I'm going to go to mailing system. If you're not familiar with my lead gen secret, it's been online since 2018. And these are 99% USA leads, and they include buyers. I'm going to email out today to 14,900, and I have done some proof videos with a case study. If you go to my channel over here and watch this video here, $893, promoting a ClickBank offer, I'll show you some proof in there that the My Lead Gen secret leads include buyers as well. So what we're going to do today here is we're going to just load up again a preloaded email, one that we've sent before, promoting a social media jobs product. And all you do is just takes 5 to 10 minutes a day with this copy and paste method I've been using. Click on perfect timing and then just send, and that's gone out to 14,000. You get 100 to 200 leads every single day with My Lead Gen Secret. If you're not familiar with it, the timer there goes to 23 hours, so you can email out once a day. I'm going to go to my other My Lead Gen Secret account and the mailing system here. I've got two accounts because what I did with the affiliate commissions, I always recommend when you earn affiliate commissions, upgrade. This account I'm going to send out to 200,000 prospects that include buyers. So again, I'm just promoting this ClickBank product. You'll see it stores all your emails here. I'm going to go with that one there. I'm just going to press load. And you can see how quick loading My Lead Gen Secret takes. Just literally takes a few minutes a day. And then we're going to send out to 200,000 prospects that include buyers. That will also get a timer there for 23 hours. The next one over here is Proactive Mailer. I like Proactive Mailer because this is it's a small Safelists mailer, but the owner Phil will only send your offer out to members that are active and clicking on links and opening emails. So that's what I like about it. That's why it's called Proactive Mailer. You can also send to your downline here. Look, if you do that there, and then we're going to click send, and that's going to go out to 3,000. You'll see here I'm promoting a lead capture page. I always recommend promoting a lead capture page within your safe list. Just confirm that. And that way you can build your own list from the thousands of members. This one's called Pangea. and it's owned by Marion Myers. She's been creating traffic sites for over 25 years. I'm going to promote that one there. I'm going to send this out to 99,000 prospects. Click on send. That's a one-time upgrade with Pangea. That's been put in the queue. The next one's called Mailsy. With Mailsy, I can email every 2 days. I'm going to send out to 8,000 here. I'm going to click send. This again will ask you to confirm your lead capture page. So I'm promoting the click engine there within Mailsy. Confirm your site. The next one, what I really like about Mailer Gold, is you can promote to buyers with the upgraded Gold membership. So you can promote to 100% buyers, which is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to send email. I think it's the only Safelists I've come across where you can promote to 100% buyers with an upgraded membership. And that one's gone out. The next one's called Leased Avail. Leased Avail again, just had a small membership, a small database, but very good clicks. I'm going to click send on Leased Avail. It says there, success, that one's gone. This one here, Profits Lion, is another one of Marion Myers products. Now what I like about Profits Lion is when you upgrade, if you look down here, it said you get an auto send. So you don't have to log in, it just auto sends every day. So I've got just 2 or 3 there that I can just rotate. At the moment I'm auto sending that one, I think. I tend to rotate those, so Profits Lion, a great feature there if you want to save time and auto send. European Safelists is very, very popular. I think it's in the top 10 Safelists. When you go on to some of the sites that recommend different Safelists. I'm an upgraded member here as well, and I'm going to, let's have a look here, I can pro member. I'm going to send out to 7,638. That's there. And that's mailing in progress. We'll notify. They send you an email when it all goes through. Mr. Safelists. I like Mr. Safelists because, excuse me, Mr. Safelists is owned by Jerry Iannucci, and he's been Safelists marketing for 15 years. He's a grandmaster at Safelists mailers. And with, again, a small database, but very active Safelist. That's down there, 1,402. So I'm upgraded here. I'm upgraded in, I think, all of these. You can also send to downline referrals there. It's a nice little feature. And then click send. And again, just confirm your site. Mr. Safelist. This one here has been online for a long time. State-of-the-art mail. It's got 45,000 members. And I'm going to click send. Mail complete. That one's gone through. The next 2 I really like are from Darren Olander. And Darren Olander, if you go onto my channel and Prosperity Marketing System, Darren Olander's been marketing for about 15 years. He owns several traffic sites. So we're going to send here. So I came across Darren Olander through a Prosperity Marketing System. And that's that one there. You'd have to confirm that, it's just letting you know. Another one of Darren Olander's is AdChiva. So I'm going to load, send that one there. And that will probably show me that's the lead capture page I'm promoting there. So each and every one of these, there's information in the description if you'd like to get some more information, or a lot of them are free to join and you get credits to send straight away. And that's how I started as a free member of most of these. I do recommend that you promote traffic as part of your promotions, and then when you get some affiliate commissions, even as a free member of most of these, you get can earn affiliate commissions as a free member. So promote your traffic and get some commissions coming in, and then I just recommend upgrading, because then you can reach a larger audience. And that's the key to success with affiliate marketing, is just, if you've got offers that convert, just promote those offers to more and more people. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like, I'd appreciate that. That'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. Not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. It's just for educational purposes only. And please click subscribe and the bell icon on my channel here. I do several new uploads every week. And if you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.